Check out the Red-Headed Rebel tonneau and rack kits. We have numerous styles available. We have roll-up tonneaus with racks. We have hard tri-fold tonneaus with racks. We have hard quad-fold tonneaus with racks and retracting tonneaus with racks. The roll-up in rack kit is available in 3 styles of truck racks: mid-height, contoured, or elevated, adjustable and removable truck racks. The hard fold roll-up cover in rack is available in 1 style of an elevated rack that's adjustable and removable. The quad hard fold tonneau cover, same thing, elevated style rack that is adjustable and removable. And of course, the retracting tonneau and racks is available in low profile, mid-height, overlanding style, or elevated style truck racks. These are designed to be easy ordering for your specific year, make, model, and bed size of truck. And so upgrade your pickup with an RHR tonneau and rack kit for your next adventure. Join us at RHRSwag.com.